malalaman mo yung socio-economic status ng tao sa kung hinabol siya ng aso nung bata siya o hindi. Alam mo yung feeling ko wala pang konyo na taga Brent International School na hinabol ng aso ng bata. Alam mo yung nagkukwento lang siya. You know, when I was young, my mom told me to buy this suka from the store. And then I was walking and then this dog chased me. This dog, puro ribs nga yung dog eh. Oh, and then may Islander slippers slipped out of my feet. Islander, di ba makapal yun eh? Makapal yung Islander, kaya okay yun eh. Tapos yun, yung dala-dala kong boy bawag na punit. Tapos yung cornic na spill all over my pen shop t-shirt. You, my boy, are expelled from this institution. Go mingle with your hoi polloi friends. You have no place here. Hindi ko alam, imagine ko ganun yung mga international school eh. Parang Harry Potter. Pero yung magic lang, eh, kahit anong gawin nila, hindi sila nadideport.